This is a rechargeable LED headlamp that you can comfortably wear on your head. It comes with an adjustable strap and a charging cable. The lamp features 5 powerful lights and also includes an SOS mode for emergencies. Here is the charging port. Simply connect the cable and plug it into any regular mobile charger to charge it easily. To remove or turn it on, just press the button like this. With the first press, one light turns on. Press it again, and the next 2 lights illuminate while the first one turns off. Press it a third time, and all 5 lights will turn on together, providing a bright and wide beam. The overall design is excellent. As you can see, it looks sleek and well built. I also took a few photos of it with my camera, and it truly looks impressive. The headlamp includes an SOS function, which can be really helpful in emergency situations. If you often work at night, this headlamp is a perfect companion. You can wear it comfortably on your head, leaving your hands free to work efficiently. I've been using it for quite some time now, and on a single charge, it provides around 2.5 to 3 hours of continuous use. Personally, I haven't used it for more than 2.5 hours at once. And the battery performance has been great. It doesn't discharge quickly with normal use. The headband is detachable, so you can easily remove or attach it as needed. When I received it, it came unassembled, and I attached the band myself without any issue. The quality is genuinely impressive. It feels premium and durable, not like those cheap plastic ones. Even if it falls from a short height, it remains safe and undamaged. The focus of its main lamp is also excellent, providing a strong and clear beam. Overall, I highly recommend this product. It's available on Temu and Amazon, and based on my personal experience, it's definitely worth buying. I've been using it regularly, and I'm very satisfied with its performance. If you need a reliable, rechargeable, and high-quality headlamp, this is the one to go for. You can find it easily. Just click the link and get yours now.